everyone. Very pleased and honored to be here with you tonight for this landmark moment. So let's jump in, starting with the incredible engine we just mentioned.
Yes. Now, this is a 1-liter engine. So some in our audience might be wondering, why not bigger? Well, we are very proud that the new Maverick R meets all the new requirements of the Recreational Off-Highway Vehicle Association Safety Standard, or ROVA, including the maximum engine displacement of 1,000 cc. That's our pledge to the industry's voluntary standard, and not every manufacturer can claim that. So we asked ourselves, how much horsepower could we possibly extract from a single liter of displacement? Well, the answer turns out to be
240.
240 HP.
Yeah.
240 horsepower. Let's hear it for the most powerful side-by-side in the industry. And we must mention, Thomas, that 240 horsepower per liter, that's a record.
Exact. And we must mention that it's 240 per liter at 8,000 RPM. This is a world record for a mass production engine. In fact, we only found one other engine delivering that much at 8,000, and that's the very limited build $3 million Koenigsegg Jesko hypercar.
I wouldn't say mass production at that price, right? Now, to achieve both record-breaking power density and reliability, Rotax packed every known racing technology trick into this engine, and even developed some new ones.
Starting with its long bolt or through bolt construction, the all-aluminum crankcase cylinder block and cylinder head are held together with 8 tension rods, not individual bolts.
And that makes a much stiffer package with less distortion and better resistance to peak loads.
Exactly. Another feature typical of high-end racing engines is the closed-stack cylinder block,
which is a way more expensive to build, but way more rigid to withstand high heat and cylinder pressure.
And finally, the cylinder walls are plasma coated using a next generation process developed by Rotax, which allows for optimal heat transfer. Plasma coating also acts as a robust layer that can resist the extreme loads from the combustion as well as the friction from the high temp alloy forged pistons.
And all this adds up to a package that not only delivers the power, but that's incredibly durable.
That's right. Actually, we put out on our test engines through the equivalent of 559, 373 kilometers of testing.
Okay, now folks, that's some German-Austrian precision for you right here. In other words, that's the equivalent of almost 350,000 miles of combined testing, which is the most I've ever seen in power sport.
Danke, Bernhard. And we did this to make sure these engines are as close to bulletproof as possible.
Now, let's shift gears and talk about the new transmission.
This is a heavy-duty, high-performance, 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, or DCT. This is how it works. As a gear is engaged on one clutch, the next gear is already pre-selected on the other one. Then, as the clutch of the engaged gear opens, the clutch of the target gear closes simultaneously. Easy.
Yeah, well, the result is instant shifting with no torque loss, delivering exceptional response and engaged driving dynamics. Now,